I'm going to start on my sawmill shed. I'm just going to use logs for posts to go up and then a beam across them so I can have it all open so I don't have to have anything in my way when I put a log in on the mill. So we're going to work on that a little bit this morning. Start nailing this wall together. Oh man. I'm gonna cut. I need 2 more 2x4, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them out of this. More tar paper. Alright, here we go. Happy to have this on. I do have a tractor. Oh boy. Okay.